Oh, man. Please, no more gravel. Jeez. Ridiculous. Just give me some rideable terrain, please. It always seems like the last climbs of each segment, they're like, oh, you think you're done? Smack across the face. Give you one more good shot to the jaw before I'm done with you. That's what it's been. That's for all 3 segments. Whether it's that wicked hard technical downhill on segment 1, where it's just endless rock everywhere. Segment 2 being completely exposed to the sun from the decimated forest fire areas. And now this, it's like the hardest part of the entire segment 3 is this part. Since we crossed that last road where we filled up with water. And there's a camp spot right there. That's a nice one. And I want to say there's like a rock outcropping like right in the middle of the trail somewhere on this final part, because last time is that 100-degree heat wave and I was like losing my mind with heat exposure. I got heat stroke, so I was like hallucinating. But I remember I got to one part where there's like this rock platform and all of a sudden the clouds came in, the temperature dropped down to like the 60s and rained for like a half an hour, and then it cleared up and it was back to 100 again. Here we go again. Jesus. May the mountain bike gods have mercy on my soul right here. May the Colorado Trail have mercy on my soul. I don't remember this from the last 2 times. Maybe it's because I was so out of it with heat exposure. I was more focused on the pink elephants that were flying in the sky than I was on the trail itself. I just hate the hike bike parts because your chamois shorts, chamois padded shorts, right up your crack and start rubbing your bunghole. And I don't want it to get bad again. It's been fine all day, but now I'm starting to feel it again. Oh, darn it. Over here. I feel like we're getting close to the top, or maybe we are now. Just done with that last steep climb. I know there's like one more hill if we've in fact made it up the steepest part of this second climb. I just want a sense of hope, man. Get my ass kicked for the first 2 days, and third day it's been fun ever until the end here. It's like going into those fights with Muhammad Ali where he just like toys with you for 11 rounds, and then the last round then he just unleashes hell on you. He's like, "Hey, you thought you had a chance? I don't think so." Oh, thank you. Just some flat stuff like this. I don't even care about downhill. Just some flat, rideable terrain right now. Golly gee. Oh, here's that sign. I could have sworn there was one back down on that road too. Get a little bit closer. Shot. All right, this is the way. Speaking of, I have my little Grogu stuffed animal with me. He's riding shotgun on the backpack. He's my emotional support stuffed animal. And yes, I'm a big Star Wars nerd. I'm proud of it. I mean, my trail name is Yoda, for crying out loud. I remember I was 5 years old when The Empire Strikes Back came out. That was the first movie I ever remember seeing with my dad. We waited like 8 hours in line to see that movie. That was way before reserving tickets and all that stuff. And that just changed my life. I absolutely love movies, whether it's Star Wars or Lord of the Rings or Harry Potter or Indiana Jones. All those great epic sagas.